writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form when given 2 points that go through a perpendicular line and a point on the line. What is the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the line containing the points 8 and 4 and 24 and 6 and passes through the point 1 and -2? To write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b form, we need to know the slope m and the y-intercept b. So we have to be given enough information to find those two pieces. When we go back to the information that we were given, we see that our equation is going to be perpendicular to a line that has these 2 points. Whenever we have 2 points on a line, we can find their slope. And if we can find the slope of this first line, because it's perpendicular, we can flip it and multiply by -1 to find the slope of the new line that we're looking for. So let's start by finding that original slope. The formula for the slope of a line when given 2 points is m, or slope, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when we label our points, we make sure that we don't get confused. And we just fill in our formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is going to give us a slope. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 24 minus 8 is 16. We always want to reduce our fractions to lowest terms, so we divide each by 2, and we get that our slope is 1 over 8. Now our perpendicular slope is going to be a slope that is flipped and multiplied by -1. So when we flip this, we get 8 over 1, or just 8, and then when we multiply by -1, we get -8. So our new slope is -8. Now we need to find the y-intercept. Well, if we go back to our slope-intercept form equation, y equals mx plus b, we now have the slope of -8, and we also have a point on our line. When x is 1, y is -2. So we can substitute in -2 for y, and we can substitute in 1 for x, and solve for b, or isolate b, to get the y-intercept. -2 equals -8 plus b. Add 8 to each side, and we're going to get 6 equals b. So our y-intercept is 6. We take those two pieces of information, and we can write the equation of the line y equals -8x plus 6. So what that should look like is a y-intercept of 6 crossing at a value of 6 and going down 8 and over 1. And when we look at the graph, we see that it is accurate.